From jazz musicians, club owners, writers, and scholars, trace the rich history of African American expatriates in Paris in the early 20th century. This unique program reveals how two cultures converged in the years following World War I, highlighting the influence of the African American community on Paris's cultural scene. Specially designed excursions and talks introduce Parisian highlights through the lens of African American communities. Learn about the valuable contributions of notable luminaries and discover how jazz enchanted the people of Paris. Plus, you'll enjoy a Seine River cruise, a culinary tour, and a thrilling jazz performance.
Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned travel director who handles all logistics, allowing you to thoroughly enjoy your destination. And our expert guides and local speakers will make the region's unique history and culture come to life. As you explore with your small group, relish comfortable camaraderie and new friendships that create unforgettable memories. Plus, all of our trips feature free time, so you can strike off on your own and make new discoveries. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.